like this. Lol, you got little trouble with you today. That's like me mean to very papi not good. Support Jenny's child by hitting tararara. Do that in my channel also. 1 star lang. Now. Where you going? Where are you going, Alex? I miss you, Alex.
See you again, bye. See ya, Alex.
I miss you, Alex. Where are you going? Don't leave me. Don't leave me.
Awak ko.
Hawak ko.
Hello, DJ Adel. Dang. Ayo, mess up.
Oh, you seen my beans? Hi, Daddy.
Sing-sing lagi tanong nito lang yung mga baga.
Can I have one chicken? You can have our plate. You can have our plate, Nas. TV. You can have it. I'd hug Rochelle, but I miss her totally. She's so small.
I am
See, no peace. Always wanted trouble. We like trouble. We're like breaking rules here. So, guys, do you have tutong? What's tutong?
tutong it's ako sa nakanabitang kwan sa rice kanang lubot sa rice niya more siya pagod-pagod mo na ito.
Pagod man na.
Pagod gali gamay ba dili
That's pagod. We call it pagod. Pagod rice in the at the bottom of the rice cooker. Yeah, that's pagod. That's not tutong. Where did you get that tutong? Tutong in our language. Tutong.
Masama ning bayan
That's
na
name.
away.
Name of a person. Sama yung bayan. Sama yung bayan.
Say problema.
Sige, muhawa na ko ha para katong
Lagi
sunog.
sakto lagi ko.
Buang manday ka. Kebo ka unsa na sa amuha? Pagod nga luto.
Sunog iya man.
Dukot ba wa ka kasabot sa Bisaya ba mi? Asa man ka nga buhol, asa man ka nga probinsya. Dodong Masil TV. Looking cute in those photos. Thank you Kenny. I want more though.
Durot. Uy.
Dukot, dili durot bugo.
Galit ang best friend namin.